Okay, so for the first question, initialize a loop that has a value 1 to 10. So this is 1. It can be a list or array. Because in your syllabus, we don't have list, we have only array. So for this one, initialize an array from 1 to 10, then we have another array. Is 10, 0. So you use the first array greater than populate the second array. So it becomes something like this, and increment by 2. So the first thing first we need to do is initialize. So some comments here. Initialize the first array. Then we can use for loop. We can use for index. 1 to 10. Yes. Yes, 2 lines. This one is last 3 weeks paper. Okay, and then you can use an array. Okay, maybe it's called first array. Any name, as long as it's related. Then you put index. Then you assign index. Then you next index. Yeah, so this is the first array. So to initialize, so the array will be looking something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. Okay. Then, so this one we done. Then now we need to do the second one. Array 10, 0. So then you assign another one. Then use for loop again. So this one you change for index 1. This one is also 1 to 10. Then this is second array. Then you assign 0. Then just next index 1. Okay, then so for this one, the output will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0. So we have 10, 0 here. And then, so this one we also done it. Now we need to do this part. Whole part here. Okay, so for this one, you can do it like this. Populate the first array to second array. Then you also use for loop for this one you can use count. and also 1 to 10, and then you'll be second now assign to this one. So the increment by 2, the first list increment by 2. So which means it will be first, sorry, so this one is second array. I forgot to write the array. Second array, then first array, plus 2. Then you next count. So this is how it populates, as the question mentioned. Increment by 2, so plus 2. Then first list increment by 2, so first list plus 2. Then assign to second list because populate. So this is how it looks like. So the output for this will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, and 12. Yeah. So this is the first question.
What did you write the arrays?
Which one?
I don't understand. What did you write?
On the output. I just show the output of the for loop here. You mean in green color?